In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import photos into Photoshop. Whether you're brand new to Adobe Photoshop or just need a quick refresher, knowing the different ways to bring images into the program is one of the most basic and important skills you'll use when editing photos, creating thumbnails, designing graphics, or building digital artwork. I'll walk you through the most common method, how to add images to an existing project, and the fastest drag and drop method. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first and most common way to import a photo into Photoshop is by using the Open option. Start by launching Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Once Photoshop is open, go to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Open. This will bring up your computer's file browser where you can navigate through your folders and find the image you want to edit. Locate the photo you want to import, click on it once to select it, and then click the Open button in the bottom corner of the window. Photoshop will now load the image and open it as a brand new document. You'll see your photo appear on the canvas, and it will also appear as a background layer inside the Layers panel. This method is perfect when you want to start editing a single image from scratch, such as retouching a photo, adjusting colors, or creating a design based on that image. The second method is useful when you already have a project open and want to add another image into that existing file. To do this, go to the top menu and click File again, but this time choose Place Embedded. After clicking Place Embedded, your file browser will appear again. Navigate to the image you want to insert, select it, and then click Place. Photoshop will import the image directly into your current project and place it onto the canvas. You'll notice that the image appears with transform controls around it, allowing you to resize or reposition it before confirming the placement. Press Enter or click the check mark in the top bar to finalize it. The image will now appear as a new layer in your Layers panel, which means you can move it, scale it, apply effects, or blend it with other elements in your design. The third method is actually the fastest way to import a photo into Photoshop, and it's incredibly simple. All you need to do is locate your image file on your computer, click and hold the file, and drag it directly into the Photoshop window. Once you release the mouse button, Photoshop will automatically import the image into the workspace. Depending on where you drop it, the image will either open as a new document or be placed inside your existing project. Here's a quick tip to remember the difference between these options. Using Open will load the image as a completely new document in Photoshop. Using Place Embedded will insert the image as a layer inside your current project, which is ideal for designs, thumbnails, and composites. And that's it. Those are the 3 easiest ways to import photos into Photoshop. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.